Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce. Just 1 quart of this mix, and your tomato plants will be loaded with fruit. Do it once, and your tomatoes will produce 5 times more. The fruits will be large, healthy, and sweet. The secret lies in simple homemade ingredients. Start by filling a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water. Rainwater works best. The first ingredient is something you use every day: milk. It's a true gem for plants. Milk contains calcium, which strengthens plants and supports root development. It also protects against fungal diseases, crucial for tomatoes. Add about 3/4 of a cup of milk to the water. Now, for something you probably drink at home, just 1 tea bag is enough. Add a small handful of chamomile tea to the mix. Chamomile acts as a natural antiseptic, boosting plant immunity and encouraging fruit growth. Stir everything well. Water your plants at the base with this solution. Use it every 2 weeks, and your tomatoes will reward you with an abundant harvest. The fruits will be bigger, juicier, and full of flavor. A simple method that works even better than store-bought chemicals. Before planting tomatoes outdoors, I always add a few specific ingredients into the planting hole. This method helps produce a bigger and healthier harvest. It's time to plant tomatoes. But first, prepare the soil. Just add these ingredients to help your vegetables grow stronger. In this video, I'll show you the best trick for getting your garden ready. I dig a hole for the mature tomato seedling. In winter, I never throw away wood ash. It's packed with valuable nutrients. Potassium in the ash is especially important during flowering and fruiting stages. It strengthens and nourishes the plant. Toss in a large handful of ash and mix it into the soil. Next, take some eggshells, crush them by hand, and add them to the hole. They're made of about 80% easily absorbable calcium, which supports enzyme activation and root development. Eggshells also contain zinc, fluoride, sulfur, and silicon. Then, add a generous handful of onion skins. The carotene they contain is a powerful antioxidant and immune booster. It helps plants resist disease and fight fungal and bacterial infections. B vitamins in the skins promote root and stem growth. Mix everything into the soil and cover it. Now the soil is ready for the seedling. Tomatoes should be planted on a cloudy day, but into soil that has warmed up. Seedlings should be 6 to 12 inches tall. Press the soil firmly around the stem, and you're done. If you have leftover eggshells, crumble them in a ring around the stem. They act as a natural slug barrier. The sharp edges deter pests, and over time, moisture breaks the shells down, releasing calcium into the soil. Tomatoes planted this way will be well fed and protected. The nutrient-rich soil supports strong, healthy growth. It fights aphids, spider mites, and other pests. Spraying with it is the secret to healthy tomatoes. It creates a layer on the plant's surface that makes it difficult for insects to breathe and move, leading to their elimination. I know how to prepare and use this natural remedy. All you need is natural soap. It's eco-friendly and cheap. Preparing the spray takes just a moment. You need 1 liter of water and 20 grams of natural soap. Dissolve the soap in warm water, then pour it into a spray bottle. The solution doesn't harm plants, but kills pests. Apply it to tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Use it regularly every 8 days. This will keep your tomatoes in great condition. This method is popular among gardeners who value natural solutions. It's eco-friendly, safe, and effectively protects against pests. 1 tablespoon for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It is a versatile product that has also found use in gardening, especially in tomato cultivation. It can be used as a natural remedy against fungal diseases. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon in a liter of water or 2 large tablespoons in 5 liters of water and spray the tomato leaves with this solution. Regular use of this spray helps prevent the development of powdery mildew and other fungal diseases. It is also effective in controlling pests. It repels insects and protects tomatoes from their attacks. In addition, it improves the pH of the soil, which promotes better plant growth. You can also sprinkle a small amount around the base of the plants to improve soil quality and reduce weed growth. With these simple baking soda tricks, your tomatoes will be healthier and more resistant to diseases and pests. Thanks to bananas, my tomatoes ripen quickly and taste delicious. Just 1 banana is enough to enjoy beautiful tomatoes. This trick is surprisingly simple. Bananas contain many valuable nutrients and are used to make fertilizers and plant food for flowers and vegetables. But today, I'll show you another way to use bananas. Prepare a regular plastic bag. Place 1 banana inside the bag. Tie the bag directly onto a cluster of green tomatoes, being careful not to damage the tomatoes. After a few days, you'll see a difference. Tomatoes in plastic bags with bananas will ripen faster. Bananas release ethylene, which accelerates the ripening process of tomatoes. In just a few days, the tomatoes will start to turn red. Once this happens, they will ripen even faster. You can also use this trick at the end of the season when tomatoes ripen more slowly due to the lack of warmth and sunlight. The plastic bag with a banana will speed up their ripening. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and even peppers won't get sick if you spray them with this solution. Sudden temperature changes don't have a good effect on vegetables grown in the garden, as they can lead to various fungal diseases. Therefore, it's important to regularly protect tomatoes and cucumbers. Milk helps combat many pathogens and fungi, and some pests cannot digest lactose. This means that milk also helps protect crops from insects that can damage your yield. To prepare a preventive spray, use a glass of milk for about 2 liters of water. If you want to prepare more of the mixture, pour a whole liter of milk into 9 liters of water. If the tomatoes or cucumbers are already diseased, use a higher concentration. Use a sprayer to apply the mixture to tomatoes, cucumbers, and even peppers or potatoes. Milk leaves a protective layer on the plants, preventing various pathogens from penetrating. This spray should be applied regularly, several times during the season. Remember, the best milk for spraying is raw milk, which also has additional nutritional benefits for the plants.